Hey guys, Andre Freeman here. This is a quick video showing how you can use the data center web apps to compute statistics. Let's start here with measures of location. This is from section 2.2 in module 2. And in this section, you're asked to find quartiles and interquartile range. I'm going to grab a data set from the readings and show you how you can use the data center web apps to compute the interquartile range. And you'll see that when you use the web app, you also get other statistics. So I'm going to copy this data here. There's 13 real estate prices from this example. I'm going to copy this, and the website I'm going to go to is the data center, and I'll put a link for this in Lumen above module 2. It's DCMP, Data Center Math Pathways Data Analysis Tools. And the one we're going to go to today is describing and exploring quantitative variables. When you click on this link, the website opens up and it has some preloaded data that you can take a look at. But we're not going to use this data. We're going to actually paste in the data from the problem. So you can click on your own here and enter data. And then we can label this if we like. I'll call this real estate prices. And now I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste in the data into this input box. Now, one thing that we need to do in this example is clean this up, because you can't have any commas or semicolons. So when you copy and paste data from Lumen, the homework problems, you typically don't have to do any kind of cleaning like this, because everything is already in an appropriate form. But in this situation, we have to clean this up a little bit. So this will take a second to do. And the other thing we have to do here is just remove these commas as well. So this will, as you see now, is starting to identify the numbers in this data set. So let's just clean this up real quickly. So no commas, no periods, no semicolons, and you just have to have the data values separated by a space. And this is looking good. We have, oh, just one more. Okay, so you can see here that at the top we have 13 data values, and we have the mean, the standard deviation, and the 5-number summary computed. So as you go through module 2, you'll learn about the 5-number summary, which is the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, max. You see here that the interquartile range, which is the third quartile minus the first quartile, is computed for you, as well as the standard deviation. So the benefit of this website is that you get all of these statistics as well as a visualization immediately when you enter in the data values. So this is describing and exploring quantitative variables. Let's look at another example from the homework. In the homework, this is section 2.7, where you're asked to calculate the standard deviation of a sample of data. And I'm going to just copy these numbers directly from the practice assignment. This is question 2 and 2.7. And this data will not need to be reformatted in any way for the analysis. When we go back to the app, I can just copy and remove all of these, or delete all of these data values from the previous example. I can rename this if I like. I'll just put sample data, and I'm going to paste this in, Control V. Okay, so again, this is what's really nice about this website. We can see that we have all of these summary statistics for the sample. We have 7 data values. We have the mean, we have the standard deviation rounded to 2 decimal places. We have the 5-number summary again, and we have the interquartile range. So this is a really good website to use in module 2 whenever you're asked to find measures of center or measures of location or a standard deviation or interquartile range. All right, guys, I hope this helps.